I would say that both US and China are extremely likely to negotiate a truce on these tariffs, because for both of them, these economies are highly intertwined and interdependent. Uh, the impact of very high tariffs on both of these economies will be catastrophic. And so there is a strong need for both of these countries to come to an understanding quickly. So the likelihood of that happening is very high. With India, it is a little bit less so, not because India is less dependent on exports to the US, not as much as China is, but also what the US administration is demanding of India is a little different. They want India to stop purchasing Russian oil. That's the 25% punitive tariff on India for, and that's going to be a little difficult for India to agree to. And so if the US continues to insist on that condition, I think the prospect of negotiations are going to be somewhat lower. And then Brazil, finally, I think the prospect of Brazil trying to negotiate a truce on tariffs with the United States is probably even lower, because the US is not Brazil's largest trading partner. China is. And it is very likely that China will do all it can to bail out Brazil and encourage Brazil to further pivot away from trade dependence on the US and by increasing trade with China.